Are you a coach or healer who wants to create enticing content that gets you in front of your ideal clients but are struggling to find the time or even just come up with ideas? If so, then you want to watch this video. In this video, I am going to cover why text-based content is not enough these days to stand out in the sea of noise online. And more importantly, I'm going to share with you the 3 steps you need to take to create content that is engaging and hooks your audience. And then you'll be able to consistently create content that will actually help you grow your coaching practice. But before we get started, you're probably wondering, who is this person and why is she qualified to teach me this? Hi there, I'm Kristen Poborsky, and almost a decade ago, I discovered and implemented a unique method of creating content that actually works. It's called the Content 12X method. And by using this method with our clients, we saw great results. We saw traffic doubling and then quadrupling. We've been able to use this method to help us revive dead lists and start growing them once again. And we've even seen our clients' coaching practices grow because they were finally creating content that their audience cared about. For one of our clients, this resulted in $50,000 being added to his bottom line in 2020. And this year he's on track to add another $50,000 to his bottom line because he was creating content that his audience and his list wanted from him. We've been able to help thousands of other students and coaches just like you implement this foundational marketing piece into their practices and start to grow their businesses as well. So come with me as I walk you through why written content is no longer the way to be seen and heard these days, and what are the 3 steps that you need to be taking so that you can create better content that your audience wants from you in less than 30 minutes. So let's dive into why written content is not relevant right now. And the answer is super simple. People are craving connection. This trend has been happening for quite some time now, and this is why we've seen the rise of such platforms as podcasting and YouTube. So video content gives you the perfect way to connect better with your audience. They just don't want to be reading a sea of words. And how can they really experience you, your energy, and hear your words come from you? And that is really the beauty of using video content as your content creation method, okay? So now that we've covered that, I want to dive into the 3 ways that you can create more engaging video content in less than 30 minutes, okay? I love this part. This is one of my favorite things, and we teach this inside in more detail in the Content 12X beta test. So the first thing we always teach, and this is a foundational piece, whether or not you're creating a video, you're creating written content, you're creating a podcast, and that is to research and find hot topics. So what you want to do is go and search for hot topics on the content category that you're going to be creating. This should take you no longer than 10 minutes to do that. Then once you have your content topic down, you are going to do number 2, which is write a simple script. Again, this should take no longer than 10 minutes. It's a simple script. It's basically an intro, an outline, and a call to action. It's exactly what I did when I was preparing to create this video here for you, because it flows more naturally when you're not trying to read a script. So you just have the 3 talking points or 5 talking points on a piece of paper, which I have right down here below me, and you just look at those and you read through those as you're doing your teaching. So once you've got your simple script down, you are ready to go live. And what I like to do is use streaming. We use Restream.io to do that. And why we do that is because it gets you out on multiple platforms all at once so you can reach a wider audience. And the cool thing about that is that it announces to your audience that you're going live at a later time as well. So it does your promotion and it does your streaming for you. So one of the tips I want to give you here too is there is a sweet spot for creating your video content, and it's between 3 minutes and 10 minutes. Research shows 3 minutes isn't really long enough to get your content all out there, but 10 minutes should be the max because that's really where viewership follows up. So remember that when you're filming your streaming and you're recording it, you don't want it any longer than 10 minutes total. So now that I've covered those points, I want to invite you to join my free Content 12X beta test. In this interactive 3-day training, I'm going to show you exactly how to create those engaging videos in more details and how to turn it into 12 pieces of additional content, which should take you no lot more than 60 minutes. So let's give you a little sampling of what we're going to teach in this program. Day 1, we're going to show you how when you get your content creation foundation dialed in, how it fuels your growth, okay? Day 2, we're going to get you started going live. We're going to walk you through in detail how to write the script using a plug and play template. And day 3, we walk you through streaming live so that you can be heard and seen across multiple platforms. And I'm even going to give you tips on how to be more confident on camera. Then day 4 is when we wrap it all up and we show you how the 12X process works, where we take that video and we turn it into 12 or more multiple pieces of content so that you can use it over and over again on multiple platforms. And what do we want from you in return for joining this free training? All I ask is that I want you to show up and do the work and give feedback so that we can continue to improve the program. So all you've got to do at this point is to access it, is to click on the link below, sign up at the bottom of this video, and you'll get your information, input your information, and you will get instant access into the free training. It's simple. And if you want to finally stop wasting your time creating written content and learn how to create client attracting videos and 12X it in 60 minutes, then you want to join the 12X beta test. Imagine no longer being frustrated with marketing and trying to create content that creates your ideal client. Imagine feeling 100% confident in front of the camera and not fumbling around wondering what to do. And imagine showing up with your content everywhere in multiple formats and not just one piece of content. You can sign up right below for the free Content 12X Maximizer beta test right now using the link on the screen. And every day that you spend not creating video content that your ideal clients are looking for is another day of missed opportunity, as there are thousands and thousands of potential clients out there who are not aware of your value. So join me for the 12X Beta Maximizer test starting on Monday, July 26th, when you'll get live coaching and training with me. So again, make sure you sign up using the link in screen below, and I will see you inside the 12X Content Maximizer beta test.